Alright, my man had to draw it out for me. Yeah, he had to draw it out for me so I can sometimes you need people to draw it out. That's what he had to do. Now I get what you're talking about.
Yeah. Hey. I actually drew a little bit wrong. Actually, the 2 was on the 3.
Alright, so you wanted to go? Alright. Hold on. Boom.
No. It's
So carry it for a note and a half.
Yeah, so it's like
Boom.
I said because the what's the name? It got that.
Right, yeah, you looking at the other elements of the piano.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes that's how I see. Sometimes you gotta draw it out.
Nah, I'm visual, so yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta draw it out.
Boom. Let's go. Boom. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Okay, we good.
All right.
That's just.
Yeah, I got